Core components of a computer system. A computer system comprises several core components that work together to perform various tasks. The essential components of a computer system include input devices, output devices, system units, motherboard, memory, CPU, power supply, etc., and data storage devices. 1. Input devices. Input devices are used to provide data into the computer system. Input devices allow us to communicate with the computer. Some commonly used input devices are a keyboard, mouse, microphone, scanner, barcode reader, digital camera, and touch screens. Keyboard. It is the main input device to communicate with the computer. It allows the computer user to enter letters, numbers, and special symbols into the computer. A keyboard is shown in Fig.1.15. Point to pointer ponder. Why the keys on a keyboard are not arranged in alphabetical order. Mouse. It is a handheld device used to control the movement of the cursor or pointer on the screen. It has 2 or 3 buttons at the front that allow the computer user to make selections in the menu, draw graphics or open files, folders, and programs. A typical mouse is shown in Fig.1.16. Microphone. It is a device that allows computer users to input audio into the computer. It changes audio signals into electrical signals which are translated into digital form by the sound card for processing in the computer. A microphone is shown in Fig. 1.17. Scanner. It is a device that captures images from photographs, magazines, books, etc., and stores them in computer in digital form. These images can be edited, displayed on the screen, or inserted in documents. A scanner is shown in Fig.1.18. Barcode reader. It is a device that reads the barcode printed on products that represent product code, description, and price. This information is used by the computer to print bills for the customer. A barcode reader is shown in Fig.1.19. Digital camera. It is an input-output device used to capture pictures and store them in digital form. These pictures can be downloaded to a computer for editing, viewing, or inserting in documents. A digital camera is shown in Fig. 1.20. Touch screen. It is a pressure-sensitive display screen that is used to interact with the computer by touching pictures or words with a finger. Touchscreen is more commonly used with mobile phones and tablets. A touchscreen is shown in Fig. 1.21. System unit. System unit is the main part of computer. It includes motherboard, power supply, and drives such as DVD and hard disk inside the computer casing. All the input-output devices of a computer are connected to system unit through the ports. Motherboard. Motherboard is the main circuit board inside the system unit. It contains microprocessor, main memory, expansion cards, many IC chips, connectors, and other electronic components. It has many buses, electric pathways printed on it. These are used to transmit information between various components of the computer. All the input-output devices are connected to the motherboard. A motherboard is shown in Fig.1. Microprocessor. A microprocessor is the main chip on the motherboard that controls all the activities of the computer. It is also known as Central Processing Unit (CPU) or simply processor. It contains control unit (CU), arithmetic logic unit (ALU), and registers. A microprocessor and the block diagram of CPU are shown in Fig. 1.23. ALU is the part of the computer that performs all the calculations and comparisons. It consists of an arithmetic unit and a logic unit. The arithmetic unit performs all the arithmetic operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Logic unit performs logical operations which include comparisons of numbers or alphabets. The control unit controls the operations of all the components of the computer. It controls the working of all the input-output devices, storage devices, and ALU. CU loads programs into memory and executes them. It consists of very complicated circuits. Registers are small memory units inside the microprocessor used to temporarily store some information during the execution of a program. Some commonly used registers are the instruction register, accumulator register, data register, and memory address register. Storage devices. Storage devices are used to store programs and data that are not currently used by the computer. They have huge storage capacity. Therefore, they are also known as mass storage devices or secondary memory. A hard disk is the most commonly used storage device that is fixed inside the system unit. Portable storage devices are CDs, DVDs, memory cards, and USB flash drives. Portable storage devices have less storage capacity than hard disks, but they are cheap and easy to carry. Hard disk. Hard disk is a magnetic storage device used to store computer data permanently. It has storage capacity of hundreds of gigabyte GB. It is fixed inside the computer casing. Portable hard disk is also available that is attached to USB. Compact disc CD. CD-DVD is a portable optical storage device with a storage capacity of 700 megabytes MB. A CD is 1.2 mm thick with a diameter of 120 mm. CD drive is used to read data from or write data to a CD. Digital versatile disk. DVD is also a portable optical storage device. It has the same thickness and diameter as a CD but has more storage capacity. Its storage capacity is in the range of 4 to 16 GB. Our DVD writer is installed in the computer to read data from or write data to a DVD. A CD can also be used as a DVD writer. Memory card. A memory card is a small storage device with having storage capacity of a few gigabytes. It is available in different sizes and storage capacities. Memory cards are generally used in laptop computers and portable devices such as mobile phones and digital cameras for storing pictures, audio, and video. A memory card is Fig.1.24 memory card shown in Fig.1.24. USB flash drive. USB flash drive is a small portable drive that is connected to the computer through a USB port. It is also known as USB memory. It is very fast in operation and its storage capacity is up to 128 GB till now. A USB flash drive is shown in Fig.1.25. Or output devices. Output devices are used to display text, graphics, and images on the monitor or to print information on paper. Information displayed on monitor is known as soft copy, and anything printed on paper is known as hard copy or printout. Commonly used output devices are monitor, printer, plotter, and speaker. Monitor. It is an output device that has a screen on which information is displayed. It has two common types, i.e., CRT cathode ray tube monitor and LED light emitting diode monitor. CRT monitor is very similar to old television. It is almost obsolete due to its big size and low display quality. LED monitor is slim, uses less power, and has better display quality than CRT monitor. CRT and LED monitors are shown in Fig. 1-26. Printer. Printer is an output device that prints text and graphics on paper, which is known as hard copy. There are two types of printers which are impact and non-impact printers. Impact printer. Impact printer uses electromechanical mechanism which causes the character shape to strike against the paper and leave an image of the character on the paper. Dot matrix printer is the most commonly used impact printer. The printing speed varies from 50 to 500 CPS characters per second. Their printing is very cheap but print quality is poor. They produce a lot of noise while printing. These printers are still in use for PR printing invoices, bank statements, utility bills, etc. A dot matrix printer is shown in Fig. 127A. For your information, the first high-speed printer was developed in 1953 by Remington Rand, an early American business machines manufacturer for use on UNIVAC computer. Non-impact printer. Non-impact printer prints without striking the paper. There are two types of non-impact printers which are inkjet and laser printers. Inkjet printer stores ink in cartridge and sprays on paper through fine nozzles on the print head. Laser printer uses technology similar to photocopying machine. Laser printer is more expensive, faster, and has very high print quality compared to inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are used in all sectors such as homes and simple businesses. Laser printers are perfect for large-scale businesses. Inkjet and laser printers are shown in Fig.1.27.BC. Plotter. Plotter is an output device used for printing engineering drawings, machine parts, building designs, maps, charts, and panoflexes, etc. on large-size paper sheets. Such large-size printing is not possible on printers. It is more expensive than printer. There are two types of plotters, that is, ink plotter and pen plotter. Ink plotter is used for printing images, whereas pen plotter is used for printing engineering drawings, machine parts, building designs, etc. Plotter is a slow output device, but its printing quality is good. A plotter is shown in Fig. 1.28. Speaker. Speaker is a device used to produce audio output. A pair of speakers are attached to the sound card on the motherboard. Speakers are commonly used with multimedia software and for playing music and videos on computer. A pair of speakers are shown in Fig.1.29. Ports, expansion slots, and expansion cards ports. Port is an interface for connecting various devices to the system unit. These are located on the motherboard and are usually seen at the back of the system unit. There are various types of ports for connecting keyboard, mouse, monitor, microphone, speakers, and other input-output devices as shown in Fig.1.30. In modern computers, USB Universal Serial Bus, HDMI High Definition Multimedia Interface, DVI Digital Visual Interface, audio and LAN local area network ports are used for connecting various devices to the computer. These devices include digital camera, scanner, printer, external hard disk or DVD writer, and USB memory. Expansion slots and expansion cards. Expansion slots are long, narrow sockets on the motherboard used for installing expansion cards. Expansion cards are small circuit boards. These cards add new capabilities to the computers. Commonly used expansion cards are sound card, graphics card, modem card, and network card. In modern computers, these cards are built in on the motherboard. A network card is shown in Fig. 1.31.